Ang ipapakita ko ngayon kung paano gamitin ang drawing tab. Ito yun siya. Ngayon, pag may klase kami, for example, ito, pwede siyang isulat, okay? For example, dito, pwede kang sulat, okay, dito si teacher. And dito si students. Alright? O kaya, minsan, dito ko nilalagay yung face niya. Alright? Tapos, dito naman si teacher. O kaya, mas maganda gamitin din siya kung may ha-highlights ka. For example, big. And this one, small. Okay, so ito yung drawing tab. So it's very easy. Okay. Okay. Yan. O, diba? Very useful. And then, alright. For example, as hard as a rock. So, minsan, masyado ng hassle pag ma-mouse. Gagamit tayo ng mouse. So, much maganda. As hard as a rock. Oh, let's say, as hard as a rock. Okay. Good job. Tapos, click natin yung star. Ganon. Tapos, let's look. Drag and save. O, ida-drag nila yung mga rabbit. O, sila na bahala dyan. Ganon. Tapos, next. O, pag dito naman, fur. Okay. Tapos, highlight natin to. Okay. Let's read a sentence. Alright. Let's read a sentence. Tsaka natin siya i-authorize. This way. Okay. Let's read a sentence. Okay. The fox keeps the fox warm in winter. Alright. Diba? Super daling gamitin. Itong phone tab. Kailangan lang ingatan yung pen at saka palaging ibabalik sa lalagyan. Let's try naman kung gagana pa rin kahit nandun siya sa loob. Hindi gano. Okay. So, bye for now. See you next time on my next vlog.